Hey guys, it's Viva La Pink Posh. Welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So as you guys can see by the title of today's video, we are going to be doing another well-requested business video. You guys know that I got you on all of your business needs. I am a business woman, entrepreneur more than anything. I am such a go-getter, and I am happy to be here to share this information with you guys. Okay, so pretty much this video is going to be the first video you want to watch before you begin your own business. Before you even pick out the name, before you start, before you get the idea of the niche that you're going to be inside of, you want to watch this video because it will help you and it will definitely kickstart your business. So as you guys know, the world we live in now is so internet based that it is very crucial for you to have an online business, to have your store online. Even if you are a storefront, you could be a nail salon or a hair salon, it's always important to have a website for your business. So this video is not only for people who are wanting to create specifically online businesses like selling makeup or clothing or shoes. It's also for commercial businesses who are trying to build their presence in the online community. It's so crucial because you're opening so many doors for your business due to the fact that you're online. So this gives you the opportunity to serve millions of people, not only the people who are in your city. You will not only get business from people who are in your city, but you will get business from people across the world. Like I've had to ship packages to Italy, to Mexico, to so many different countries, and I absolutely love it. Okay, so while I have your attention, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button. You will never miss one of my videos, and it's absolutely free and it supports me, guys. Back to the program. The first thing you want to do is create a business idea, aka a business plan. So when creating your business plan, you want to come up with a business idea. This is the first thing that you need. You want to know what you are targeting, who you are targeting, and the best way to figure this out is to actually come up with a solution to a problem. It could be a problem that you're having, or you can go to your friends and your family members and see what problems they're having and just figure out solutions to their problems, because to every problem there's a solution. So just sit down and write down everyday problems that you encounter. Ask your friends and family about problems that they have and come up with ideas for them to improve these everyday problems. So then once you figure out the problems and you also figure out the solutions to that problem, what you want to do is go ahead and do your research, and you want to find out which companies or what brands do the same thing, how they do it. And you also want to figure out what would make you stand out from these other companies that are in that same niche and who are trying to solve the same problem. So then you want to go ahead and create your business plan. So if you're not aware of what a business plan is basically a document that you create outlining all of the business strategies that you plan on doing. And also it has your goals, your progress, everything on a chart that you need to start a business. It also includes the nature of your business, the demands you plan on supplying, also the products you will need. So this business plan is also going to include a summary of your business growths as well as highlights of your financial situation. So you also want to include a summary of your business goals, short-term and also long-term. And you also want to include the profit that you plan on making. So the next thing we are going to be talking about is marketing. First thing you want to do is study and get to know the market that you are entering, because you cannot enter a market blindsided. So definitely do your research before you enter your business, before you start your business, before you do anything. Do your research on your niche. And the easiest way to do this is go on Instagram and find a company who is similar to something that you want to do, and you want to basically study this business. So you want to jot down this business's strong spots and also their weak spots. This will help you in succeeding because you will learn from their mistakes and not your mistakes. You also want to look at this brand and see what kind of themes they are doing, if they're going according to holidays, if they're doing like a pink theme like how I do. But you basically just want to see what works for them. But please do remember that what works for somebody else might not work for you. So you don't want to go ahead and copy somebody's entire business. You want to just basically learn from them and implement your own ideas. So the next thing you want to do with your marketing is that you want to outline your marketing strategy, such as how you want to share your product and how you want to generate income from this product. So the next thing we're going to be talking about is branding, which I think is one of the most important things when you have a business. Branding is super important because it helps you stand out as a brand. So branding basically is how your customers see you. So just for example, when you look at the brand Louis Vuitton, what's the first thing that you think of when you see this brand? You think of the LV signal because this is their signature logo, Louis Vuitton. That's how you know it's Louis Vuitton. That's how everybody knows it's Louis Vuitton, because of their logo. And also when you think of Louis Vuitton, you think about high-end products. So when designing your company's signature, make sure that you know your audience. When you know your audience, it's easier for you to come up with things that are appealing to them, which is going to attract them to your business, thus creating you more money. The whole entire goal for your brand is to be unique and stand out from the other brands that are like yours, especially if you're going into the makeup industry, doing lip gloss, eyeshadow, whatever. There are so many brands that do the same thing, so you just want to make sure that you're standing out from these other brands. So the logo you come up with for your brand should be a visual representation of your brand. This is why you cannot lowball or go half on your logo. You want your logo to be a poppin' logo. So most of the time, I know we try to create ourselves, but you're probably better off paying a professional to make your logo because it would look 10 times better than you trying to do it yourself. And also remember that this logo has to be on everything and it is going to represent your business all around the world. So this logo is going to go on your flyers, it's going to go on your business cards, it's going to go on your website, on your thank you letters. You can even put it on your packaging. That's why having an amazing high quality logo is super important because it's basically the face of your brand. Okay, so next we are going to talk about building a website. Okay, so when you are ready and you have your niche, your name, your idea, your business plan, everything set up, you want to go ahead and build your website. And the first thing you need to do to build a website is get a domain name. And I definitely recommend GoDaddy. This is not a sponsored video. I just use them for all of my needs. I've been using GoDaddy for years. Even when I used to do dog breeding and I had the website for the dogs, I used GoDaddy then, and this was years ago. So they are very reliable and I definitely recommend using GoDaddy to get your domain name. And not to add that the most you're going to be paying is $13 a year for your domain name. And once you get your domain name, that's not the only thing that you need. Domain name is just your www at like the House of Glitters. You do need to connect your domain name to a host, a website host. So there are a lot of different web hosts and I'm going to leave this one up to you guys to do the research. Every domain name is different. They all offer different things, but you do have Wix, you have Squarespace, WordPress even has a website platform. You have Shopify, which is the most recommended website host. And you also have WooCommerce. But like I said, a lot of people use Big Cartel, but I don't recommend that because I feel like that's like on the cheap side because you don't always get to choose the domain name and you don't want something saying like the House of Glitters at bigcartel.com. You don't want something like that. You want something that's super professional. The next thing we are going to talk about is building a community around your brand, which is super important because your brand is basically nothing without a community. So to grow your brand on social media, you need a strong support system. Like, you need the team behind you. You need the squad behind you on this one. So when people comment on your post, once your Instagram page is started and you started posting, once someone comments on your post, please go ahead and remember to engage with them. It actually shows your customers, your supporters, that you care about their opinions. You can also build your community by asking your followers questions like, what new items would you guys like to see in our store? What things should we add? What new colors should we do? Your community will love that. Your followers will love that. Your customers will love it because you are coming to them, asking them for advice. So they are going to feel needed. Thus, they will support you more. Another thing I would recommend for building a community on social media is doing giveaways. If you're going to do giveaways, make sure you stick to it and actually give the products away. I know a lot of people who do scams on giveaways and don't pull through, don't send the money, don't send the product. And I hate that. I just think that's like so like ungenuine and you're lying to your followers, and I really dislike that. So don't do that. If you do a giveaway, please like pull through with it and send off the items. Guys, I didn't want this video to be super long, so I'm gonna cut it short. That's gonna be it for today's video. Again, this video is for those of you who want to start businesses. So please watch this video before you start your business so you have some type of knowledge of what to do. Don't just go into it blindsided. I'm here to help you guys. Like, I've had a lot of businesses online, some failed, some did amazing. So I'm able to help you guys and share with you guys my tips and tricks and help you guys prevent, like, so you won't make the same mistakes that I do. So that's what I'm here for, guys. But I really hope this video was helpful for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time. And of course, let me know what you guys think in the comments below about this video. Do you want to see more? I'll be happy to make them for you guys. So guys, till next time, bye.